I guess we'll be plenty of go through the whole season, but now that it's official, the feeling is we'll talk sort of summarizing the feeling at this point.
Extremely disappointed. Disappointed for our fan base, disappointed for the Bus family. Gave us all this opportunity, and we want to play our part in bringing success to Laker basketball. And we fell short. We eliminated tonight, and I can say it's not been due to lack of effort. We have all put in the work. Our guys stayed fighting, right until the end. I know we have games left, but in terms of being eliminated, it brought integrity to the process. We just fell short, through a disjointed season. So we're all disappointed. All disappointed.
Kyle.
Were you guys aware by halftime of the stakes of this game?
Yeah.
Did it affect either way?
We've been playing for our lives for the last 5, 6, 7 games. So didn't change anything.
Frank, what did you, to the extent that you can share or feel comfortable sharing, how did you address the team after this one?
I'm going to keep that private.
Dan.
Frank, this year's been just an emotional grind for yourself, for so many guys in there. Over these last sort of 7 games, has there been time, I know you didn't want to, has there been time to reflect to think, how did we end up in this position? How did we get here? Considering the talent that's in that room, considering the pedigree of people who were part of this program 2 years ago when the title was right. Any of those thoughts
of late, my whole thought process has been centered around winning the next game and staying alive. So no, not really.
Dave.
Right, your first season with the Lakers, the team goal of not losing consecutive games, and you did pretty well with it. Where you stand now, you guys haven't won 2 games in a row in almost 3 months. And what's been the extreme change been like?
It's just a different team. Without getting into a lot of the details of why, that was a very different team than we have this year. And I would say that if LeBron and AD played 15 games together that year, we would have had a similar year than we're having right now.
Any more questions for Coach?
Just how do you manage these final 3 games?
We'll see. We'll meet with front office, our players, and the coaching staff, and just kind of see what's best for our group. But finish out the season with pride, and like I said, bringing integrity to our process.